Now see question number 3. The question is, work out for the following division. So first question, students, try to do by yourself. Now see the second question. 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So first what we will do, we do the factorization of the algebraic expression and find whether it's common with the denominators. Okay, so let's see. So 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. If you do the factor, for 10 it is 5 and 2. For 25 it is 5 and 5. So we can take 5 as a common from this 2. So 5 2s are 10. So this is the factors of 10x. 25 means 5 into 5. This way also you can do 2x minus 5. So what is common? 5 is common. What is left? 2x minus 5 is common. Divide by 2x minus 5. So what we can do? This is the common factor. So we can cancel this 2. So what is left? 5. So what we can say, the division, when you do the division of this algebraic expression, the answer is 5. Third, try to do by yourself. Now see the next question. Fourth one, 9x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. So let's see how to do this question. 9x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. So we know that we can do the factorization of this term 3z minus 24. What is common? 3 is common. What is left? Z minus 8. Divide by 27. We can write 9 into 3 into x into y z minus 8. So this term will get cancelled. Z minus 8. 3 cancelled. 9 cancelled. 1 xy is cancelled. So what is left? Xy. So this way we can do the division. Move on to the next question. Students, let's see the fifth question. How to solve this question? Let's see. The question is, ABC 96 ABC in bracket 3a minus 12 5b minus 30 whole divided by 144 in bracket a minus 4 a minus 6. Let's see how to do the division. So we know that we can take common from this. So first that we will do. So we know that 12 means 4 3s are 12. So 3 is common. 30 means 6 5s are 30. 5 is common. So that we will take out. Okay. So first we write 96 ABC. 3a minus 12. 5b minus 30 whole divided by 144 a minus 4 a minus 6. Why I am doing like this? So that we can get the factors of these two terms such a way that we can cancel these two terms. Let's see. So 96, it is 12 into 8 if you do the factors, into A into B into C. From here we are taking 3 as a common. So what is left? A minus 4. From here we are taking 5 as a common. So what is left? B minus 6. Okay. So here the question is here, it is b minus 6. Sorry, do the correction if you have written. Okay. Whole divided by 144. We know that 144 is the square of 12. So we can write 12 into 12. A minus 4, b minus 6. Okay, now we can cancel 112. We can cancel a minus 4, b minus 6. Now what is left? 8 into a into b into 3 into 5. Can we write for this 12 as 4 into 3? Because only 112 is left. Can we write in place of 8, that is 4 into 2. So now this 3 get cancelled and 4 also get cancelled. So now what is left? 2 5s are 10. A into b, that is 10 a. So this way we can do the division. Again I am repeating the whole question. You can observe the denominators and try to make the factors of numerator in such a way that we are cancelling the maximum factors. So we know that 3a minus 12 we can take 3 as a common, 5b minus 30 in that we can take 5 as a common, so that we are getting this a minus 4, b minus 6 as the factors of part of numerator. Then 96 we can write 12 into 8 into a into b into c. We can do the factors of 96 abc. We can find the factors of these two terms. So what we are getting 3. If we take common a minus 4, 5 if we take common b minus 6. So maximum terms we can cancel. If anything left, again you can do the factors of that. Again do the cancellation. You can find the answer like this. So this is all about your question number 3. Now move on to the next question, question number 4. Now see question number 4. It's very simple. So I have already solved all questions. 2 questions are left. That questions you have to try to do by yourself. First question 5 in bracket 2x plus 1, 2x plus 5 whole divided by 2x plus 1. We know that in the numerator you have 2x plus 1 and denominator you have 2x plus 1. Means 2x plus 1 is the factor of your numerator. So directly you can do the division. 5 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. So this will get cancelled. So what is left? 5 3x plus 5. So this is the answer of first question. Second question we have 26xy in bracket x plus 5 y minus 4 whole divided by 13x y minus 4. So we know that y minus 4 is common in numerator and denominator, so that is directly cancelled. And we know that 26 is also divisible by 13. So what we can say? 26xy in bracket x plus 5 y minus 4 whole divided by 13x y minus 4. So this will get cancelled. X is also get cancelled. 13 2s are 26. So what is left? 2y x plus 5. So this is your answer. Now come to the third question. 52 pqr, p plus q, q plus r plus p whole divided by 104 pq in bracket q plus r plus p. We know that q plus r plus p, these two terms will be directly cancelled, and 52 2s are 104 and this pq is also cancelled. So what is left? This will get cancelled. 52 2s are 104, pq will get cancelled. So what is left? R divided by 2 and p plus q. So this way we can solve question number 4. 2 questions are left. Try to do that questions by yourself. So this is all about your question number 4. Now move on to the next question, question number 5. See question number 5, first question, division. Y square plus 7y plus 10 whole divided by y minus 5. Division means we know that y plus 5 is a factor of this term. So this we can find the factors first. We know that we can use x plus a, x plus b identities for this. Means 10, 5 to the 10, a into b and a plus b. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. So you can write y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10 So y plus 5, 2 is common, so y plus 5 left, whole divided by y plus 5. So here y plus 5 is common, y plus 2 left, whole divided by y plus 5. So this will get cancelled. So what is the answer? Y plus 2. Okay, so we are using the factorization method. Here also we are using the identities and we do the factorization of the given terms. Second we have m square minus 14m minus 32. M square minus 14m minus 32 whole divided by m plus 2, which m plus 2 is a factor of the given algebraic expression. So let's see. 32, it is minus. So we have to find the factors of 32 in such a way that when we do the multiplication, we are getting the product minus 32, and when we do the addition, we are getting the addition minus 14. So what is the answer? 16 2s are 32. 14 is negative, so 16 is negative. So minus 16 into 2 will give you minus 32. Minus 16 plus 2 will give you minus 14. Okay. So first we find this. So m square minus 14m minus 32 is equal to, we can write m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32. First we do the factorization of this and then we can do the division so that it's easy. Here we did both together, so it may be little bit confusing for you. So first we find the factors of algebraic expression and then we do the division. So from this we take the common m minus 16 plus 2 m minus 16, this bracket is common now, so m minus 16 m plus 2. So directly now we write the factors. So m square minus 14m minus 32 whole divided by m plus 2. In place of these we write the factors, that is m minus 16 m plus 2 whole divided by m plus 2. This will get cancelled. So what is the answer? M minus 16. So this way also we can solve the division. Next we will see 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Let's see how to solve this question. You have to remember all the identities. Not only that, where and how you have to use, that also you should know. Third question is 5p square minus 25p plus 20 whole divided by p minus 1. Let's see how to do this. So here if you consider this one, the factorization method start from here. So we first do the factors of this one. So 5p square minus 25p plus 20 is equal to 5 is common from all. If you take 5 as a common, because this is 5 5 is 25, this is 5 4 is 20 and this is 5 1 is 5. So everywhere 5 is common. So what is left? P square plus minus 5p plus 4. Okay. Now we use x plus a, x plus b identities. Factors of 4 is 4 1s are 4. Minus 4 minus 1 will give you minus 5. So 5 p square minus 4p. In place of minus 5 we write minus 4 minus p plus 4. So 5 p is common, so p minus 4. Here minus 1 is common, so p minus 4. So what is the factors? 5, p minus 4 and p minus 1 is the factors. Now we do the division. 5p square minus 25p plus 20 whole divided by p minus 1. So which is equal to, in place of this algebraic expression, we write the factors. So 5 p minus 4 p minus 1 whole divided by p minus 1. This will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 5 p minus 4. So this way we can do the division. Okay. So next question, students, try to do by yourself. Same way you have to find the factors of the given algebraic expressions. So 4th, 5th, 6th and 7. Don't worry, if you have any query in that, we will solve that queries. 4th one try to do by yourself, and 5th one I am solving. The 5th question is 5pq in bracket p square minus q square whole divided by 2p p plus q. Okay, here we are using the identities. Third identity, that is a square minus b square. What you can write? One time positive, one time negative. That is a plus b, a minus b. So 5pq p square minus q square whole divided by 2p p plus q. So first we find the factors of this. So 5pq p square minus q square, that is a square minus b square. So one time positive, one time negative, whole divided by 2p p plus q. So p plus q will get cancelled, one p will get cancelled. So what is left? 5 by 2 q p minus q. So this is the division. So this way we can solve 5th question. 6th question, same, you have to solve 9x square minus 16y square. You have to find the factors of that, that is 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y. So 1 3x plus 4y will get cancelled. Okay. So that you try to do by yourself. Now see the 7th question. How to solve the 7th question? Let's see. y5, sorry, it is y3, 50y square minus 98 divided by 26y square, 5y plus 7. So here also we are using the third identity, a square plus b square, sorry, a minus b, a plus b. So this we have to convert in terms of a square minus b square. So here we see 50 is not a perfect square, 98 is also not a perfect square. But when you take out 2 as a common from 50 and 98, you are getting perfect square. Let's see. So 39y cube, if you take 2 as a common, first write down 50y square minus 98 whole divided by 26y square, 5y plus 7. So we simplify only for this now. Remaining all the terms remain as it is. 39y cube. What we can take as a common? Multiply by 2 take as a common. So what is left? 25y square minus 14. Now these two terms are, you have to write in terms of a square minus b square. So how will you write? We know that this is the square of 5, this is the square of 7. So 39, what you can write? 13 3s are into y cube into 2. What we can write for here? 5y whole square minus 7 whole square. 26 can you write? 13 2s are into y square into 5y plus 7. Now we solve for this. Further explanation. Now we can write this is now our a square minus b square. So we can write one time positive, that is 5y plus 7, one time negative, that is 5y minus 7. So what answer we are getting? So here you can see 13 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled, y square and y cube. So y only left. So what is left? 3y. and 1 time positive, 1 time negative, divide by 5y plus 7. So this will get cancelled. So what is left? 3y, 5y minus 7. So this way we can solve the question. So this is all about your exercise 14.3. Thank you. Any query you can ask me. Whatever questions I have given as a homework, try to do that questions by yourself. Any query? Just put a message in WhatsApp group. Thank you.